Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1/2 cup honey, 2 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup water, 1 tsp salt, 1 clove minced garlic, and 1/2 tsp smoked paprika. Warm the honey gently in a small bowl so it pours easily. Measure everything precisely and have a silicone spatula and a small saucepan ready. If using dried flakes, lightly crush them for more surface area. If using fresh chilies, remove seeds for less heat and chop finely. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat and combine the 1/2 cup honey, 2 tablespoon chili flakes, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tsp salt, minced garlic, and 1/2 tsp smoked paprika. Whisk continuously until the mixture reaches a gentle simmer, about 3 to 5 minutes, and the flakes bloom into the honey. Keep the temperature low so sugars do not burn. The goal is glossy, pourable texture. Taste and tweak. Once the chili honey is glossy and well blended, remove from heat and let it sit 1 to 2 minutes to settle. Strain into a clean jar while warm to remove large flakes. Press solids with a spoon to release flavor. Allow to cool to room temperature, then seal and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Use 1 tablespoon per serving as a glaze, drizzle, or marinade. Rewarm gently in a microwave 10 to 15 seconds, or a warm water bath to restore pourability before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.